Hey everyone, so I'm going to be showing you the Skechers Foamies. These are super cute. I got these for my toddler, and they're basically Crocs, but technically they're Skechers Foamies. My 3-year-old loves them. He wanted to wear them right away, and he says, "Where's my Foamies? I want to wear my Foamies." And here we are in March still, so I just have him wear them with socks. But he loves them. So they are lightweight, molded comfort, easy care, easy wear, and water friendly. And you might not want to hear my story, but I'm going to tell you why I bought these for him. So he goes to preschool, and they do a lot of water play. Even this time of year, anytime it's nice outside, they'll do water play out, and then his shoes will get soaked, and then he'll have wet shoes all day. And of course, I don't want him to have wet shoes all day. So having these, it's just so easy because I don't have to worry about them being wet all day. All right, so let's look at them. Now, he has worn them for 2 days now, all day. And there's a little tag in here. Let me just show you the tag. Foamies. And I have never seen these before, these little cute Crocs, because his big sister got a pair of Crocs, and then he wanted Crocs. I'm like, at 3, I know a lot of 3-year-olds wear Crocs, but for him, he always is running around like crazy, so I thought it was nice that they have this back. So as you can see, it looks just like a pair of Crocs, but it does say Skechers, so they are Skechers here. And then they have the 3 holes on the side. But then, yeah, you can see this is a permanent piece in the back here. And it just goes up over the heel, so they have not fallen off. I thought at first, okay, I'm not going to get these for him because they're going to fall off his feet. But as soon as he put them on at the store, he just started running around and they did not fall off. I do have to say that they do seem to run a smidge big. So he wears a size 9 now, and I am starting to just get him into a size 10 tennis shoe. But the 10s were way too big, and these are the 9s. And they seem to fit him really, really well. But yeah, 2 days playing on the black top. I don't know. I think that they so far have held up pretty well. I know it's just been 2 days, but yeah. Look at the back there. This is like a really, really soft, smushy. And then, of course, here is the other one. I really like this print. When we went to the store, this was the only print that they had in his size, which was cool. Like, he liked it and I liked it. But I'm sure they probably come in other prints too. But yeah, these are so nice. And then they also have, you know how they have the charms? I think they're called gibbets for Crocs. But you can fit the charms in these also. So yeah, those are the Foamies from Skechers. Looks like a pair of Crocs, and my toddler loves them, so I just wanted to show these. Please like and share the video. Thanks for watching.